Why we're here is because we have formed a partnership with the City of Alexandria. It's given us the opportunity to have some of our artists, innovators from Virginia Tech to show off their stuff up here. Part of the partnership is a year-long set of installations that'll be down in the Target Gallery downstairs. The first of which is a really cool, what we call a Tesseract, which is 32 speaker cage that you can walk inside and you can listen to 4 amazing pieces. The first of which is just purely an immersive audio piece where you explore natural sounds as well as artificial sounds that move around in the space. There's 2 pieces that are about what's called data sonification. You hear what's called cybersecurity attacks or denial of service attacks.
They left me with my mom alone.
Really touching piece where a collection of African American women wrote letters to their younger selves.
I was so very loved.
They also had a little watch on that recorded their emotional state, their physiological emotional state, which was then used to influence the sound that you hear around you.
And above all, to become.
And one that looks like what the brainwaves sound like for people that have dementia and their music therapist. And if you listen closely, you can begin to hear the synchronization between the EEG for the music therapist and the EEG for the older adult.
Bringing Virginia Tech and ICAT here has been able to do, it's been able to bring those immersive technological experiences that are now a part of the arts world and becoming even more so to Alexandria and letting our community, our visitors, our artists experience it and really become engaged with it in a different way.
Really important for us is to show this continuum between innovation and technology and creativity and the creative process. It's not just that art is over here and technology is over here.